Club Wars 3, Round 2, 1988 Honda CRX. From Darwinoff, D-Tune Die-Cast Racing Team. 1987 Ford Sierra Cosworth. From BJO, D Prince Burnout Garage. Audi 90 Quattro. From Kurahua, Lilloan Die-Cast Racing Team. Race 1, Best of 3. Ford win 1. Switch lanes. Ford win 2. Race 2. Audi win 1. Switch lanes. Audi win 2. Race 3. Audi win 1. Switch lanes. Ford win 1 all. Switch lanes. This video is brought to you by Cebu Locksmith. Round 2 champion, Kurahua, Lilloan Die-Cast Racing Team, and will qualify for the final round. Thank you everyone for the support. Please hit like, share, subscribe. Round 3 in the next video.